Okay, I was talking about 6 and 7, and this is the last maths we are going to do. And let's see, we need to understand the question first. Okay, that part is kind of, you need to understand it because it's kind of tricky. There's a school, okay, in the middle there's a school, and there are two persons, Shobuj and Mitu. Okay, they live on two different ways. Shobuj lives in the west of the school, and Mitu lives in the east side of the school. Okay, so in different direction and in different distance. Okay, from school to Shobu's house the distance is 3 by 8 kilometer, and from Mitu's house the school is away about 5 by 12 kilometer. So we just need to understand that part. This much is Shobu's distance, and that much is Mitu's distance. So the first question they said it, how many kilometers is from Shobu's house to Mitu's house? What we are supposed to do, as a line we need to find out this much and this much in the both, from Shobu's house, Mitu's house, how many kilometers away. So what we are supposed to do is just supposed to take them both together and add them. This is the math we are going to do right now. Let's see. Okay, you can see that I have already written down everything over here, and this one is a 6 number 1 number math. So what we are going to do, we are just going to keep doing it. Let's see. Okay, now again the same thing, again the distance from Shobu's school, distance from school to Shobu's house is this much and Mitu's house is this much. Okay, now we are going to add them. How to add them? You already know how to add the fractions. Divided 2 and 6, that again goes with 2. Now we cannot go with anything else, so LCM. We just need to find out the answer, and 2 into 2 into, okay, then this one is 24. So you're going to write down 24 over here, and dividing the LCM, again the wind problem, dividing the LCM with the first denominator, which one is 8, and our answer will be 3 is a 3. Okay, so we are multiplying 3 with the first numerator and dividing the LCM with the 12 second denominator, and the answer is 2. 2 is getting multiplied with the second numerator. So it is 3 is 9 plus 10, 24 kilometer. Don't forget to write down units every single time. I'm just keep trying to make you understand. This part is very important. Okay, this much is total distance from Mitu's house to Shobu's house. Okay, Shobuj was living there, right? On our left side, and Mitu's house. Okay, this is the total difference, total distance, not difference. Okay, so what is we are going to write down as a so line. So from Shobu's house, Mitu's house is 19 by 24 kilometer away. This is the part. Okay, now we are going to go for the second math. In the second math, they say that whose house is nearer to school. That means we need to find out, we need to compare in both of them which one is closer and which one is far away. So if we want to find out which one is closer, definitely we need to find out the find out some way to compare them. To compare them, definitely we need to convert both of them into common denominator. So let's see how to do that one. And they said how many kilometer is the difference. We need to find out the difference also from there to there. You can see the distance, right? Let's see. After doing the math, we will know. For doing 2 number math, I have written a little bit optional line. If you want, you can skip it. I don't mind, but it's good to learn. Okay. To find out whose house is nearer to school, we need to check out the common denominator of the both distance. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the common denominator. Already you know how to do the common denominator, right? Let's do it. Finding out the LCM first. With 2, no. With 3, with 4, no. With 5, no. Okay, I was worried and I actually find out that I have done mistake. This should be 12. Okay, I done a mistake over here. Let me correct it. Now I can see that I have corrected it, and I was worried actually why it's looking like so real to me. Now I find out actually sometime I get clumsy, right? Is that right? Okay, I'm joking. Don't worry. Now we'll divide with 2 again. Now we cannot divide, so our LCM will be which one will be 24 maybe. Let me correct it. Yes, 24. Now, so what we are going to do? We are going to divide our LCM with denominators, and we are going to multiply the result with the both numerator and denominator for the same fraction. Okay, so I am writing down this one. Dividing 24 with 8 will get 3. Will get 3, and 3 is getting multiplied with both of them. 3 3s are 9 and 24. Again dividing 24 with the same another fractions denominator, which one is 12, and result is 2. So we are going to multiply 2 with numerator and denominator both. So now you can see that we have 9 by 24 and 10 by 24. Which one is small? 9 is small. Okay, so we are going to write this way. So if 9 is small, that means 3 by 8. 3 by 8 was Shabu's house. Okay, so we can say that Shabu's house is nearer. Okay, because the distance is smaller than Mitu. Distance is smaller than Mitu. This is why it is close to school. Okay, now we are going to do the rest of the part of 2 number. Okay, next part, which one I have already written down the Mitu's fraction in the before, because on the first, because this one is bigger fraction. So we are just going to find out LCM of 12 and 8 already we have done over here, so you don't have to do it again. So we are going to just write down here like this, and dividing the 1 will get 2, 2 will be multiplying with 5, and dividing with 8 will get 3, 3 will be multiplying with next numerator, and kilometer you are going to write it 10 minus 9, 24 kilometer, 1 by 24 kilometer. This is the difference. This is the difference from distance between this is the difference of two distance. Okay, so 1 by 24 kilometer is the difference. Okay, why I have written it? I have written it because this is, I have picked up this line from the question. Okay, this is your answer. If you have written down this sole line, then you don't have to write more. And this one also, this is the same maths, 2 number maths, 2 part. Okay, that part and that part. So what you are going to do, you just write down for only one time. No need to write down 2 line or 3 line for the answer, because you have already done the math. The next math is about one land. Okay, one whole land. Look at this, one whole land, and one farmer actually he planted 1 by 2, that means half part he planted brinjal. Okay, in 1 by 4th part he planted cabbage, and 1 by 5th part he planted rose or flower. We can see rose over here. So this is the information they gave us, but the land was his one piece of land. is one piece of land. I said it for 2 times because I want you to remember that he has one piece of land. Okay. Now the first question they said, how much part of the garden did he planted? Okay, how much part? So what we are going to do, we are going to make them in together, we are going to find how much part. So we are supposed to add them. Okay, and how much part of garden remain blank, that part we are supposed to find out that part. After finding out the total of planted version, we are going to take it away from the whole land to find out that unplanted or blank part. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I have written is the given that information. Okay, planted brinjal in half part, 1/2 part, or cabbage in 1/4 part, and flour in 1/5 part. That means this is the way we sometimes we say that fractions, we name that fractions. Okay, I'm going to do that part, total part. Let me correct it. I have done the LCM over here, so I'm just going to write it because already I have explained them many times to you. Inshallah, you can do them. So total land he planted is 19 part out of 20 part. So what we are going to write down? 19 out of 20 part of the garden he planted. Okay. Now the second one. Now the second one we are going to do is, we are going to write down from one number, part he planted is 19 out of 20 part. Okay. Let the garden one or whole part. As I said that he has a one piece of land, the whole land we are talking about, that means this is the way we are going to write down one or whole part. So remain blank, we need to take this planted part out of the whole land. Okay, so we are subtracting one or whole part and 19 part out of 20 part. So 1 minus, now we are going to skip that part, 1 minus 19/20, and we are going to write down like this. And as you see that I have already told you, we are supposed to put 1 as a denominator. So 1 and 20's LCM is 20, right? So write it like this, 20. Okay, so after doing that, I know that you can understand. Okay, after doing that subtraction, you get 1 part out of 20 parts. So we will say 1 part out of 20, 1 out of 20 part of the garden left blank. Okay, we have find it out. We just need to subtract the planted part. Let me show you again. The whole planted part, we have to take it out from the whole land. So we have to subtract the part or portion from the whole land, and whole land, whenever we are talking about whole, we are going to write down 1. Okay, don't forget that. This is all. Thank you very much for staying with me. If you have any kind of query or question, you can just ask me or left comment below. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. Be safe. Stay home.